for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3 just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town.
Are tied to the throttle body instead of the throttle cable. So I bought a new throttle cable and tube, and I'll use this grease to grease up the new cable. Just had to remove the old throttle cable. Luckily there wasn't much corrosion in the tube. And then once I install it, you grease it up a little bit to help prevent any further corrosion, if there will be any. And just push it through the tube. It got stuck a little bit at the back at the rubber bushing, so I just moved the rubber grommet out of the way. And in the back I have a little sleeve here for my cable, so I slid my cable back down all the way to the grommet. And that's what it looks like with the sleeve on. There's the new tube going through the fan housing. And I just need to get the adapter for the throttle body. I bolted the cable loosely to the pedal. I ordered and received the adapter for the throttle body. Just had to put it in, tighten it up. I'll probably loosen it off eventually to adjust it and put some thread locker on there so it doesn't back off.